I got the Christmas set of bead landing size 8 glass seed beads at Michael's to make this project. I'm also using Kilt pins, Czech glass bead boxes from John Bead, and some extra chain I have left over from some other projects. The first thing I'm going to do is add seed beads to the head pins in my color scheme, which is green and gold for this pin. I'm making a variation of only seed beads and also mixing the seed beads with the Czech glass beads. You want a variation for this project. Clip the end of the head pin and create a loop with round nose pliers on each pin. The history of seed beads spans thousands of years, with early examples made from natural materials like shells and bones, evolving to the first glass beads created in ancient India, Mesopotamia, and Egypt around 3000 BCE. The history of wearing pins and brooches traces from their functional origins as fasteners for clothing, dating back to the Bronze Age, to their evolution into decorative accessories that signify status, affiliation, and personal style. Next, add a loop to a few of the matching Czech glass beads. These are going to dangle on the end of the pin. Cut your scrap chain in different lengths, just a bit longer than the beaded pins. Using jump rings, attach the beaded pins and chains to the kilt pin. Alternate between the beaded pins and the chains, and make sure you fill up the pin. Once all the beaded pins and chain are on the kilt pin, add the larger Czech beads to the loop at the end of the pin. Now try different color combinations. If you don't want to wear this as a pin, add some chain to each end of the kilt pin and wear it as a necklace. Let me know what you think in the comments. And by the way, check out the bead landing seed bead collections at Michael's. They come in sets of brights, metallics, and pastels, and they would make a terrific gift for someone creative. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.